Oh, hey. Okay, so, one, new bathroom alert. You see it. Yes. And two, dusty ponytail alert. Hold on. Hold the hell up. Okay, so I'm going to redo this ponytail. Let me redo the camera. Okay, what's up, y'all? So I'm going to redo this ponytail that's in my head. My hair is tired. I've been working out, but I still need a slick, fine, a cute-ass, fun-ass look. So therefore, we got to make it work. So first thing I do is going to spray my hair with my rose water. Just like that. Yes, baby. This is going to be how I slick my edges down and get that ponytail tight. And I need my scarf, so you wait 1 second. Bing! Got the scarf, boo. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna spray the front of our head with the rose water. Spray your whole damn hair. My hair is so dry. She mad. And when I am close to wash day, I really don't mind using a lot of product because I know I'm about to wash it out anyways, which is tomorrow. So I'm actually gonna put some water in my hair. Just wet my hands a little bit. Put some water. This is just to give me the smoothest effect possible. After that, I put aloe vera gel. Smooth the aloe vera gel on there. So anytime I'm about to do my edges, I do my best to protect them with aloe vera gel and oil first. So like the first layer of my hair being bothered is stuff that's actually healthy for it. I call that the protective layer. All right, put a little oil. She already looking ready, baby. And then after that, I'm going to use the My Gel. So the natural agent that I use to retwist my hair, I use that as the first thing that I use to slick my hair down before I do the edge control. So again, I use a little bit more product. It's almost wash day. I'm trying to look cute. Baby, I ain't trying to have no flyaways, no nothing. So I'm doing like that, and then I'm gonna take my hair up to the ponytail before I even get into the serious edge control. Ooh. Woo. This little ponytail be tough. When it's close to wash day, my hair is like super duper stiff. And because I've been sweating, it's dirty. She is not my biggest fan right now. But that's all right. Because we're going to make it look cute. So after I get it up there, as smooth as humanly possible right now, then I'm going to just put the ponytail holder on. Now, I'm not one to typically pull my ponytail through twice, but when it is an occasion that I'm going to be out, I do want my ponytail to be a little tighter than normal. And if it's too tight, then I will loosen it. All right, so that's once through. Oh my gosh. Forgive me. She's taking long. Okay. It's through once. Woo! I don't even know if she's gonna make it through again. Woo, honey. Ouch. Shit. Damn, Daniel. Woo! She made it. Okay. So pull your ponytail through. Ow. Get the locks through. There we go. Make the ponytail look kind of how you want it to look. For me, I was going for a little Spanish mommy, a little I'm fun, a little who's this, a little who's that, baby. You know how I like it. All right. Okay. Cool. So this is my high pony so far. Pulling all the extra locks through out the back. All right. All right. So this is that. Now we're gonna get to slicking it and doing the edges. So I'll go back to the product that I use to retwist my hair. It's natural. So still, even though I can use more of it, I'm not gonna use bad products on my hair. Okay. And then now I'm going to get a little brush and use the actual edge control. So my favorite edge control is Certified Bella Beauty. I love them. It can be a little heavy, and so that's why I always tell people to wash their edges, because the best way to protect your edges is just to keep them clean. So I'm going to swoop, 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 sub the loop, swoop, swoop, sub the loop. Okay. Yeah, boy. Pull it up, pull it up. Okay, y'all know y'all see that. Because what I started with was crazy. I know you see the change. All right, so once I go through the first time around and just give it the slick 'em up, then I go back and do my edges, and which really is just me pulling some of them down. You know the cute way to do edges these days. Let me see if I can do it on actual camera. Barely. I be trying to slick them a whole bunch of different ways, but my hair be like, nah, baby. Take what you can get. Okay. All right. So this was the idea of the ponytail that I want to make. It came out right. Yummy, lovely. My edges didn't have to go through too much stress. And now I'm just going to tie it up for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And it should be really cute afterwards. Maybe I'll do my makeup and come back and show you. Tie it up now. Tie it up. Just tie it up in the proper way so that it lays. The tie is so important. Oh my gosh. Bye. Oh yes, baby. You see it. The ponytail came out cute. Alrighty, well that is how I do my edges. Alright. See you there.